Unboxing. What is inside the box? Panel installation. Plug-in power. Device fixed. Installation finished. Device wireless pairing. Camera and lock. Select 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and type password. Select the SSID named SmartLife XXXXX. Enter the initial password 123456778. Make sure your phone is currently connected to the internet. Connecting successful. Device sharing. Select the device you want to share. Share device. Multiple ways to sharing devices. Pictures and videos. Select HD or SD to change video quality. Zoom live streaming. Full screen. Capture a picture. Video recording. The footage clips will be saved on your phone gallery. If you inserted a TF card, the playback function will be available. Voice function. Turn on microphone function to receive real-time sound on site. Send voice message to person on site. Now switch to two-way talk. Make a phone call to person on site. Three ways to set up alarm. Method 1. Monitoring interface. Method 2. Setting interface. Method 3. Name page interface. PIR sensor can be set separately. Schedule alarm. User can set up automatically PIR sensors switch mode based on the time of the day. Triggering smoke. Click FH smoke. Input access code. Smoke will be sprayed immediately. Second smoke. This controls connected external fog generators. Clicking the second smoke. Input access code. Smoke will be sprayed immediately. Thanks for watching.